Hey guys, have you ever tried using Shizuku, but when you attempt to get the pairing code, you see a message saying pairing failed and you need another device connected to the same Wi-Fi network? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, in this video I will show you why this happens and how to fix it without needing another device. So here's what's going on. Shizuku uses a feature called wireless debugging to work without root access. But sometimes your phone treats the pairing process as if it must come from a different device, not the same phone. And that's why you see that error message. Now let's fix it. First, go to Settings, then open Developer Options. Make sure USB debugging is turned on and also enable wireless debugging. If these are not active, turn them on first. Next, open the Shizuku app and go to the pairing section. Now use split screen mode. This is very important, because with split screen, you can see the pairing code without switching between apps. After that, go to Wireless Debugging and tap Pair Device with Pairing Code. You will see an IP address, a port, and a 6-digit pairing code. Now enter all of that into the Shizuku app. And just like that, you can pair it without using another device. If it still fails, try turning on airplane mode, then turn Wi-Fi back on. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, not mobile data. You can also restart your phone and disable any VPN if you are using one. So basically, that message saying you need another device does not actually mean you need one. It just means your setup is not fully configured yet. Follow these steps and Shizuku should work properly.